All right. Welcome back, guys. This is gonna be another quick review session of the week as we look ahead and see what is coming up and what we can possibly trade as well. All right. So let me quickly walk through some few things over here. All right. First, let's start with the Euro USD. We're just going to walk our way from the top all the way down. So Euro USD, last week, we call out this zone, and it came right to to our buy. We made some profit over here, and then it traded through that zone and came all the way to this other zone again. We also predicted and analyzed this zone as well. So if you took it, you should be in massive profit as well. By now, anybody that took that zone, you should be in profit, right? We talk about this zone over here, and it came right through, and look at that, massive profit, massive profit right now. For us. Okay, all right. Now, the only thing I see for the Euro USD as price is rallying up, I see this sell. So we want to short the market, over here. I'm going to go ahead and put something in. I've already put in the coordinate. I don't have time to go through this, but the coordinates are right there for you guys, right? So I'm going to put in something right here. So the Euro USD, 2-hour time frame, entry is going to be 1.17388, and exit is going to be 1.1760. 607 over here. So I'm going to put in a quick order over here for that. That is what I see. All right, let's go to USDJPY. The USDJPY too, I think I have something for 2-hour time frame as well. Last week we analyzed this when price was somewhere here, that if price was to rally down, this is where we might want to set up like a buy order, right? We might do like a buy order over here, and price did not come down. Price went all the way up. So if price went all the way up, with there was a 4-hour demand zone down here somewhere last week that we were looking at, and price went all the way up, and I've discovered a new 2-hour time frame. There's a new 2-hour time frame up here. So I'm going to go ahead and put in a quick order as well. Buy limit over here. It's almost coming to the zone. If you watch this video probably late, you may have to do maybe like a confirmation entry, right? If you have been part of this training journey, you should know what a confirmation entry is, because this is right into the zone, right? It's almost into the zone. So 2-hour time frame, let's say 2-hour time frame, we are almost there. We are almost into that, we are almost into that 2-hour time frame. So guys, look at that carefully. I want you guys to look at that, the buy, the 2-hour time frame. I'm actually putting in that trade on the other side here. The buy is going to be buy limit, entry price is going to be 148.842, and exit is going to be 148.631 for the USDJPY, right? All right, let's go to GBPUSD. All right, GBPUSD as well. I have this short opportunity. So there's a 4-hour sell opportunity right here, as well. So GBPUSD, there's a 4-hour sell opportunity right here as well. I'm going to go ahead and put in a sell limit right now. The 4-hour sell limit over here is the entry is 1.34492, 1.34492, and the exits, right? The exit is exit is 1.34698, 1.34698, 8. And of course your TP, your TP, it's going to be trade management. You decide on that. You see where you should put that in, where you should put your profit. And as always, use proper risk management. Use proper risk proper risk management as well. So that is it. That's a story for the that's a story for the GBPUSD. For a sell, right? We want to short the market, right? We want to see what I see for a sell. We want to short the market, right? We want to short the market. So that's what we see over there. Let me put this right here. So that's the story for the GBP USD. Let's come to the AUD USD as well. All right. So the AUD USD, we analyze this as well. This zone over here, and looks like price action traded through the zone a little bit for the AUD USD, and now it's rallying back up over here. So what do we see? The signs are very clear. We see a sell opportunity as well for the AUD. We see a sell opportunity as well for the AUD USD. Also over here, we see a sell opportunity as well. So if we want to go ahead and put in a sell, a short order as well, or a sell limit as well, this is what that is going to be, right? So if it's going to be a 2-hour sell, the entry is going to be 0.65901, 901, and then exit is going to be 0.66052. TP trade management. From next week going, I'm in travel. I just got into my hotel very late, and I just have to do this for use proper risk management, guys. Yeah, all the time. Just put in something for this over here, right? AUD USD. That's what we see over here. All right. And then let's go to USDCAD. Okay, so USDCAD. All right, so USDCAD, what's the story here? All right, we put in, we had something for a sell. Okay, all right, we have something for a sell, and you guys can see what has just happened. So you guys should be in profit, right? You guys should be in massive profit, right? Massive profit over here. As you can see, we had a 4-hour trade, sell limit, put in here. And look at what just happened. You know, price action came right into the zone, you know, and as you guys can see, right, you know, came right into the zone and rallied back down. So our trade is you know, played out nicely, beautifully, right? You guys should be in massive profit for the, you know, USD card, right? For the USD card, you guys should be in massive profit for the USD card. Now, if we're looking for an opportunity to buy, this is going to be a good opportunity, a good place for us to, you know, find something to buy, right? This is going to be a good place for us to go long on the market. All right. All right. So let's put that in there. Um, um, let's put that in there. Okay. So this is a 2-hour buy limit. The entry. The entry. Let's put down the entry. The entry is going to be right here. So entry is 1.38969. As if I don't have time to go to the futures market, you know, you guys should find that in my grade, right? In my trade grade. I'll just do the Forex here quick, and then, you know, for the futures market, you know, look into the YouTube, you know, description, and you guys will find link to my trade grill where I update the futures market, you know, opportunities as well, right? I just want to run to the Forex here quick, and then I'll leave you guys to 1.38862 TP. It's going to be trade management and use proper risk management all the time. Okay, all right. So that's the story for the USD card. All right, already you guys should be in profit because the trade that we analyzed over here, last week, it's a massive profit over here. You know, the USD card is, you guys should be in massive profit here. And here's where we might want to buy again, and also here as well, right? There's also another buy opportunity, limit buy opportunity setting right here as well that we might want to, you know, look at, right, as well. But the price action is, you know, price is far away from that. This is the closest, right? All right, let's go to JPY. So what's the story here on the EURUSD JPY? Let's take a look at the, you know, the euro as well. What's the story here? JPY. So EURUSD JPY. Let's look at it for zone over here for the EURUSD JPY. Internet is a little bit sloppy. I'm in travel, and yeah, I'm in travel, and, you know, I'm trying to do this, and the internet here, I think it's a little bit sloppy, but we'll do whatever we can. Right. So EURUSD let's look at 2-hour time frame. Let's look at 2-hour time frame. Okay, before. Two-hour time frame. Let's take a look at the 2-hour time frame and other time frames over here. My God, my internet is crazy. So EURUSD, it's a little bit messy. The only zone that I had here was around here, and I'll still maintain that, even though I know that there are a couple of zones over here. There's something over here that we can take as well. There's something here, but it's a little bit choppy. It's a little bit, yeah, it's a little bit choppy over here. Price is almost right there. So you might want to use caution with this, right? So price action is almost right in there, right? So that's a story for the EURUSD. So entry is going 174. Let me put it right here. So 1 hour time frame, 1 hour buy limit. Entry is gonna be 174.62, and exit is gonna be see how this plays out. 174.507. Use proper risk management all the time. Guys, so that is the buy limit over here for EURUSD. All right, let's look at the AUDJPY. Let's go to AUDJPY over here and see what's going on. For AUDJPY, let's see. So look at the 4-hour time frame. If you can find something nice. So we already have something, I think a 2-hour time frame sell limit order, sitting right here. That is still yet to play it out, right? So 98,314. We did that analysis last week. And exit was 98,428. And then TP and use proper risk management are all here, so still sitting right here. But for demand, but for a place where we can set up a trade and maybe buy, we might want to consider right here. Yeah, we already let's see. we already, that sell is still yet to play it out, and so it is still good. As we do the analysis, it is still good, but let's take a look at the 1 hour time frame and see if there's something even looking better for buy. Since price action is still far away from the sell order that we had here at the top, maybe it might pull back, it might retrace a little bit and then rally back up again. So we can consider something that is a little bit down, down here somewhere, and see. Let's see if we can find something. We can find opportunity. We can find an opportunity somewhere, and let's see. Let me. Already, you guys know the trade that we put on for EURUSD hit big time. Trade put on for USDJPY, GP, USDCAD also played big time. You guys should all already be in profit. There's been a trade that is currently running. I know we put in that trade. So if you're not putting the trade, then you are missing, right? You're missing money. You're putting money on the table. Yeah, if you're not taking it, you're actually putting money on the table. All right. For AUD JPY, I'll pick up something here. That's my buy. If price was to rally back down again, retrace a little bit before going up, this is where I'll consider going long with it. So I'll go ahead and put in something over here. All right. So let me go ahead and put in the coordinate for you guys. So it's a 1 hour buy limit, right? The entry price is going to be 97.37, and as it is going to be 97. 97213. All right. Use proper risk management. Use proper risk management all the time. All right. Use proper risk management. And let's go through the USD chef. USD chef. That's the USD Swiss franc. We already have a trade in that is already running, and we are already in profit, guys. So I want you guys to be managing your trade very well. I'm gonna skip this one for now. We're already in the trade, and you guys should be managing your profit, for the USD chef. I know I look at my account on the other side, I can see a trade already running for that, right? For the USD chef. So we're already in profit for the USD chef trade running. We have a similar story also on the Euro AUD as well. Yeah, we have a similar story on the Euro AUD. We put in a sell limit for the Euro AUD. The Euro AUD. We had a trade in. I think it was a 4 hour trade short opportunity. As you can see, we put it here last week. Our analysis, and that analysis played out, and you guys should be in massive profit. I can see that over here, and I'm also in profit on my account somewhere. I can see this 4 hour short opportunity for the Euro AUD is playing out nicely, over here. All right. So we're gonna let that run. And the GBP NZD. Yeah, I put in this trade over here. We did some analysis over here and said that, you know, if price was to rally down here, maybe this is where we might consider, you know, going long, right? So for now, you know, we're just going to let that play it out as well. So that is going to be a 1 hour here. An entry is already there. The entry price, the exit, it's already in here for you guys. Let me type it out. Last week we talked about it. 2.28645, and the exit price is going to be what is somewhere 2.28 somewhere. All right, always use proper risk management. Make sure that it aligns with your trade goal and your trade style, your trade purpose, right? All the time. Okay, all right. So that's the story of the GBP NZD, and then we have NZD USD as well. We had something also, you know, for NZD USD. I think last week when we did the analysis, price action was somewhere here, and price was beginning to rally up, and then we said that if price was to come up, this was going to be a good sell opportunity for us for NZD USD, and price continued downwards, right? Price even went down further, right? But as it went down, we can even see another opportunity develop as price went down. So we might want to even short the market even here as well, right? You might want to short the market here. I'll put in the coordinate for you guys for this NZD, you know, and NZD USD. Is it NZD? Yes, NZD USD. This is where if price is beginning to rally up, if price makes its way up here, this is where we might short the market. You know, we might short or sell. So this is a 4-hour sell. New opportunity. The old opportunity is still there. If price was to come up, you know, trade through this, you know, sell. This is going to be the other sell limit, sell opportunity or short opportunity, setting up here, you know, for us. So we have two opportunities, right? That's what it is. We have two opportunities right there, right? This is 0.58204, and then the exit is 0.58396. TP, use trade proper trade management. Hey, you know, when you set up a trade, if not, then come to school. You should already have where you're gonna go long about risk management. You should have where you're gonna exit from every trade. That's what it is. You should know that. If you don't know this, then come to school, right? That's why I exist. I'll train you to know this. And then the last one over here is GBPJPY, which we should already be in profit. As you guys can see, we talked about this trade last week as well, and I think, you know, we put it in a 4-hour sell opportunity over here. We're already in profit, $278, you know, over here as prices rallying back down. Well, it came right into how we analyze, and, you know, it's already playing according to, you know, how, you know, we wanted it to play it out, and it was already doing it for us. As a matter of fact, it went all the way down here. I can see, so over $300 in profit, depending on, you know, your whatever that, you know, your risk is. You know, you should be in profit. So that's guys, that is, you know, the top down of all the Forex, currency pairs that I have here on my watch list. For the futures market, gold, silver, crude oil, the indexes, the S&P, the NASDAQ, the Dow, the Russell, and then the futures currencies. I see the futures currencies over here, the Swiss in the currency section of the futures market, the M6E, that is the euro, the Australian, New Zealand, the British pound, the Canadian, etc., all in the futures market, and even treasury note. Guys, look in the YouTube video description. If you're not part of the WhatsApp group yet, be part of the WhatsApp group, where you come in there. We share the link to the trade grill, where you find all these futures markets and other markets that I share for free, right? So make sure that you subscribe to this channel, and also not just that, come to be part of the Telegram and WhatsApp groups, where I share the grid, where you can find all these other trade ideas and trade opportunities for futures market, stock market, and other markets out there. All right. So this is a quick, 30,000 view of the futures market and how it's looking like, opportunities that are out there for us to look at. Hopefully, I'm still in travel in Asia, but hopefully, maybe by Wednesday, I'll try and see if I can find time for us to review how all these trade ideas that we just review, from the euro to the GBPUSD or something like that, has played out. All right, guys, trade well, use proper risk management all the time, and I wish you guys all well. Hopefully you guys make some good profit. All right, take care.